how to fix the keeps dropping calls issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, reinsert the SIM card. So take out the SIM card, clean it with a clean cloth and reinsert it in your phone. And after reinserting the SIM card, the call dropping issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this side button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, it will help you to fix the calls dropping issue. But if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on tap on reset. Now here tap on reset network settings, and then again click on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the calls dropping issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps call dropping issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.